So transferring WhatsApp messages from one Android device to another Android device, for an example, Samsung Galaxy to Xiaomi Mi 8, can done be in this way. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, using the Google Drive method. So you have to back up on your Google Drive. Transferring WhatsApp messages between Android phones provide both devices are linked into the same Google account. First of all, open the WhatsApp in your one of the Android device. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp, you have to go to the chat. Just tap on the setting icon. Once you are on your chat, you have to tap on the chat option and scroll down and go for the chat backup. So here you have to tap on the backup to Google Drive and you can select your Google account like this. After selecting a Google account, you have to tap on the backup to upload your chat history to Google Drive. So with the help of this step, you can easily restore from the Google Drive here. Also, you can go back and you can just go for the transfer chat here. So the transfer chat history to another phone. Just go for the start option. And they are preferring the story to the another Android phone. So you can transfer your chat history privately and have your most updated message without using your Google storage. So here you can see that they are preferring the transfer chat history to another Android device. So from here you can easily transfer your chat from one Android device to Android in another Android device. So in a conclusion, you can use the Google Backup Drive and WhatsApp Transfer app like this. So with the help of this video, you will easily know about how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from one Android device to another Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.